Hello, this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to access your social studies homework. So from your desktop or from your device, you have a couple of options. The first one is to go to eClass and to find your teacher's page. So for this one, I'm going to go to Miss Myers. Once you open the page, there are a couple of places that you can find the link for the homework for Westward Expansion. The first place you can find it is on the home page in the announcements section. Not all teachers will have this up until next week, but if you go ahead and look in that announcements section, should be the very first thing that comes up. There's a link directly to the Weebly that's for homework. Just to give you a heads up, that is going to open it in the same page that you would have done your e-class in. So just giving you a heads up that it's going to change that tab. For the first time you're seeing this, you're going to see this is your home screen. It says Turn of the Century because it's part of the Westward Expansion unit. We do Turn of the Century in two parts, Westward Expansion to begin with, and then Imperialism, Inventors, and Immigration for the second. You'll notice up here you've got Home and Extra Resources. When you scroll down, this is just a little bit of an introduction. And then this is where you're going to find review materials, things like Quizlets, which are all already live for Westward Expansion. You'll get some quizzes put up by your teachers throughout the unit, and then some other review stuff. If we find things that we think are good, we'll add them here as well. To access your first night's homework, you're going to come up here to the top, and this might look different if you're doing it on a mobile device. You're going to start with the first homework assignment, which is America, a Changing Nation. When you click on it, you're going to get a leading question at the top. What did America look like at the turn of the century? Your important people, places, and things, these are going to be found if you're following along and you want to take notes as you read. These are also found in your homework packet. So from there, we're going to scroll down. Here you've got a song to listen to as you read. It tells you about it here. You've got a map to analyze and just some basic information about each region of the United States. When you finish, at the bottom, there is a quick check. This is how your teachers know you've done your homework. We can't tell any other way. So if you do all of the hard work of getting there and watching the video and reading it, but don't do the check at the bottom, it's going to count as no homework. For this one, you've got just a matching, so you'll match the region to whichever description it is. If you happen to need to connect a region with a definition that's out of the page, all you have to do is click on the region itself and then click on where you want to connect it to, and it will connect it for you. You don't have to click and drag. Or you can, if that makes you feel better. But if it's out of the screen, that's typically your best way to do it. At the bottom, be sure to hit Hand in Work, and then Confirm Hand in Work is going to make sure that you're finished. You'll get a green screen that says Assignment Completed. That's how you know we have seen that your homework is finished. If you would like to do this a different way, if you're having a hard time, maybe your teacher forgot to put it on their eClass page, when you go back to eClass, you should be able to go to Content. I apologize while it loads. You should be able to go to Content, and somewhere on your Social Studies teacher's page, you will have a unit that says Social Studies and one that says Westward Expansion. It can be linked there as well. For those of you who are super tech savvy or doing it on a device, the homework packet for Westward Expansion, which is also linked, let's see, the Westward Expansion homework packet, also has a QR code on it. If you want to scan the QR code, that will open it up in your browser. Just to give you a heads up, this link right here, the QR code linked to your eClass, you can find it in about 20 different places. It is going to be used for this unit and the next. So you are going to use this same link for all of this unit. Notice for the first week, lesson 1 is due on Wednesday, lesson 2 is due on Friday, 2 nights of homework through the week. You may work ahead. And it ends with lessons 1 through 3. But if you go back to the actual Weebly page, you'll notice when you click on the drop down where all of the lessons are, that there are way more than 3 lessons. The reason for that is because this same Weebly page, after the Transcontinental Railroad, starting with this one right here, America is a World Power, this is all the next unit. This is not live yet. So while you can work ahead within your unit, you need to stop after the Transcontinental Railroad. These three, From America as a Changing Nation, Cattle Trails, and the Transcontinental Railroad, are the only 3 lessons in the first unit. Do not work ahead past America as a world power. Okay? If you have any questions, please reach out to your social studies teacher. I'm sure they will be able to help. Have a wonderful day.